Are you looking for an enriching summer camp? AustinTexas.gov/summer camps gives you all the information on the Parks and Recreation spring break and summer programs. You'll navigate to this website where you'll be able to see information on all the different types of camps that we offer. There's information on inclusion and financial assistance, as well as summer jobs. You'll go ahead and click the online registration button. This will bring you to WebTrack, where you can see the variety of programs. This website allows you to sort by program location, program type, and even by keywords. Here, for example, I'll just type in the keyword camp. Hit search, and now you'll see all of the programs tagged as camp. Now you'll notice some of these programs say available, you can go ahead and sign up right now, or some of them will say waitlist. Don't be afraid to put your name down on the waitlist, as many people's summer plans can change. You'll get a notification once the spot opens up. When registering for a camp, you add it to your cart like online shopping, so make sure to log in. The login screen might look like this, or you can log in on the main screen. There's even a forgot password option or create new account if you haven't created your username and password yet. Now that I'm logged in, I can go ahead and hit Browse Activities, and that'll bring me back to that database where you can search by location, by program type, or subtype. At any time, you can go to your shopping cart to see what camps you've selected. There are plenty of camps with availability. With a variety of dates for spring break and summer camp, there's a camp for everybody. So go ahead and check it out.